In this video, let's see how to view and edit ERP remote table details. On the ERP Canvas homepage, select the Remote Tables icon in the navigation bar. In the list, select a remote table to view and edit. Some fields are available to edit. For example, change the attachment setting, or edit the ERP system field. You can also edit the short description. The ERP model field is not editable by default, but you can select the Unlock ERP Model Field button. Read the information before unlocking the model and editing. Select Unlock ERP Model Field or cancel. For details about table fields, select the Remote Table Fields tab. Return to the Details tab. And when you are finished editing, select Save.